crazy.
And I feel that way.
And he said nigga. I know he said nigga.
He said, wait, hold on.
That nigga talking about nigga, you as soon as
He said,
stop, I want to change the world. As soon as the cameras go, I'll be like, nigga, y'all niggas tripping. Oh God.
Yeah, nah.
That nigga was rubbing. These niggas trying to cancel me and shit, nigga. Fuck these niggas.
did Michael Jackson ever say nigga? Wait, what? Hold on. Let me see. Wait, hold on.
Say it.
I knew Michael Jackson said nigga. I knew he did. Cause no, he's actually like he's black. He didn't pick to have his skin like that, bro. He just picked like that, bro. This is a natural.
No, Michael Jackson can say nigga.
He could, yes he is.
Of course.
Nigga, he could say nigga.
I know.
Yo, come on, bro. We ready?
But like hearing him say nigga is like hearing like
A white person say nigga?
like no, like Yana say nigga.
Oh,
You know what I'm saying? Like,
yeah. Oh, it's so sweet and like nigga. Yeah.
What?
Yeah. I ain't lying. This looks better, nephew. Thank you, daddy. I mean, Michael Jackson. Wait, hold on. Thank you.
Bro, what the fuck? Bro, you don't.
I ain't gonna lie. I won't get a buck. This is Michael Jackson.
Who's Michael Jackson's biggest competitor then?
King of pop, nigga. He had no competitors, nigga.
Nigga, no.
He never had competitors, nigga. He was king of
him
pop.
and Prince, nigga. They was going back and forth, nigga.
Nigga. Prince, nigga.
Yeah, who's Prince? Name one song by Prince.
Nigga, Prince is a nigga. He was back in the.
Back of the Bus. You think he's Rosa Parks, nigga? No, he was like Back of the Bus.
Nigga.
That nigga's not Rosa Parks.
Nigga, Prince was a singer, nigga.
Was a what?
A rapper, bitch.
No, he was. He made Purple Rain, nigga.
He did?
That ass. You probably thinking about Future. No, Prince, nigga. Is there some water? There's something. Oh, my voice like.
Purple Rain?
There's no water in here.
Prince made Purple Rain? Let me hear real quick.
Bro, I know your pee yellow. How do you don't got no fucking water?
Michael Jackson made this. We ready? Alright, bro.
Okay.
Oh, rest.
Even know Prince.
I know Prince. He made Purple Rain, nigga.
Nigga, I just said that. You don't even
I know
name
Prince.
2 songs to get $1,000 right now.
Huh?
Name 2 songs to give you $1,000.
Nigga,
Don't read the chat.
I made mad song. Come on, bro. Listen.
Whoever got the most aura.
Yes, listen.
Cause I'm Michael Jackson. Chat. What year am I Michael Jackson? Like 2005, 2004. I'm like Michael Jackson 2005.
Wait, Chad, what year am I? 1987.
1999, 2005,
He said, nah, you 96?
2000, early 2000s.
Michael Jackson never, what? Michael Jackson never, but what? Chad, what year am I? I'm like Thriller, nigga.
Play Black and White before we go.
Black and white before we go?
Yeah.
No, we finna test our aura, gang. You scared?
Alright, come on.
You said Thriller?
Black and White.
Black and white. Wait. Oh my gosh, dude, you're smart. Holy shit.
Duh, nigga.
Okay. Black or fucking white, bitch. I tell you that. It don't matter if you're black or white. See? That's what it takes, bro. You bring the whole world together, gang. Name a nigga that did that. Martin Luther King did.
Yeah.
But I'm saying, like,
Malcolm X.
Malcolm X. Yeah, but I'm saying as a song, Jesus did. Yes, for sure. I'm talking about a nigga like, I don't know. You go IRL?
Yeah.
IRL? What for just?
Yeah.
What for just?
Second? Wait, hold on.
Let's see. We see. Let's see.
Make sure they can hear
me.
you and see.
Can y'all see me? Can y'all see me? See, I love me.
Let's see. Hold on. Make sure they can hear it. You gonna see.
Hold on, but can you fix the camera? I don't like the way my skin looks on camera right now. Can you please fix it for me, please? Can you please fix my the light on the thing? I don't like how
How's that? How's that?
That is very beautiful. Thank you so much. Look at this ugly.
Y'all take this. Y'all take this.